Okay, we're going to graph this piecewise function, and I'll show you my preferred method. So I like to start by imagining what I'm graphing. So if I was to graph the line f of x equals -2, I know that would be a horizontal line at a height of -2. And if I was just graphing the line f of x equals 2, that would also be a horizontal line at a height of 2. So what I'm expecting is a piece of one horizontal line and a piece of another horizontal line. And where we have a change from one piece to the other is at x equals 1. So let's go ahead and substitute 1 in. When we substitute it into the top piece, we get -2. And we're going to have a closed circle there, since that part of the graph includes 1. And if I substitute 1 into the bottom piece, I get 1, 2. And I'm going to have an open circle there, since that part of the graph does not include 1. And then for each piece, I'd like a second point. So for the top piece, I can choose whatever x value I want as long as it's less than 1. So suppose I choose -2. I substitute it in and I still just get -2. And then for the bottom piece, I can choose whatever x value I want as long as it's greater than 1. So suppose I choose 3. And no matter what I choose, I'm just going to get 2. So let's go ahead and graph this. So starting with the top piece, starting with a closed circle at 1, -2, and then going through -2, -2, and then keep going. And then for the bottom piece, starting with an open circle at 1, 2, and going through 3, 2, and keep going.